its downtrend. That is what we expected from the copper market yesterday. Let us see day before yesterday what happened. So let us see day before yesterday what happened. See, the copper market opened around day before yesterday around 417.5 and it maintained its downtrend and closed at the same level. So yesterday also we expected the copper will continue its downtrend. So let us see what happened. After the market opened, see, it took the resistance near the previous day high. So this is the previous day high, the 420.6, and this zone you see 420.6 and 421. This is the previous day's high. So copper opened around the zone and it exactly took the resistance and it couldn't break the previous day's high. So it is a failure to break the high. So after that the market dropped and sustained here for a few moments. So again the copper couldn't, since the copper could not break this previous day's high, and it again start dropping. So see exactly how long it has taken. So in the market tried to break this resistance, and now 420.6 is going to act as a good resistance for the market. So this zone, we should note this zone. This zone can act as a very good resistance for the market. And then the copper continuously it dropped and it broke. It couldn't, since it couldn't go higher, it broke the supports and it came till 414.5. so what you should note is that this 414.5, you see the previous day's low is 414.5. this is the previous day's low, and the market exactly came near the previous day's low, so a little bit lower than that, and then it closed around 415.75. this is the closing. And today where we are expecting copper to open is that today copper can open below this low. This is today copper is going to open below 414.2. that is, it may open around 413, or it may open at the major support, that 412 also, but probably 414 can be the best opening for copper today in MCX. So what we can expect is that market can test this 412, which is going to be the major support for the market, and we really need to watch this zone very closely, because we can say that market can test this support 412.5, 412 can be tested. So again after this you have a support at 406.6. these are the two supports, but this area 412 you should watch very closely, because this can determine the trend. If you look at the previous week pricings and the support zones at 412, we can exactly judge this is how important is this 412. so first target can be 412 and the next target can be 406, and today we are expecting copper to continue its downtrend, and the only if the price is going to stay above 420, if there is any closing above 420, then there can be a confirmation, so the market can go higher. Other than that, it is not necessary to go for a buying. You can continue its trend, stay with the trend. That can help us a lot in trading. So let us see what's going to happen today. Happy trading. Bye.